Are you looking for best CRM and ERP software for real estate and infrastructure industries? Here we introduce the best solution for your business. StrategicERP, trusted by 700 plus customers across the globe. We have industry-specific ERP products for real estate, construction, infrastructure, manufacturing, ceramics, government enterprises. We also have automation products such as customer relationship management, project portfolio management, human capital management, property management, inventory management, B2B ERP and CRM, smart city ERP, document management system. Our achievements: we have 700 plus customers with 16 plus years of successful implementation and 200,000 plus ERP users, with 250,000 plus mobile ERP users and 15 plus Best Tech Brand Awards. For more details, write to us at inquiry@strategicerp.com.